Nah man, West Inco, this not look good. Only if you have Derrick one drinks.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. Hey, what about my people? My day, you know? Blessed manners and respect to each other, everyone. My people, I am going to talk about a situation that I saw in at least 2 pieces of videos of viewers and subscribers. But before we get to that topic, I am going to present a video to you. And I want you to look at the video and listen to some words that a person said in the video and leave a comment or comments to let me know what you think about anything that you see in the video. You can tell me if you believe or if you don't believe anything that you see or any words that have been said in the video. And here's the next thing again to my people. See, if you have seen anything like certain things that you're about to see in this video, you can also leave a comment or comments and let me know. Yes, I'm here, some people. Observe.
Nah man, West Inco, this not look good. Only if you have Derrick one drinks. It not gonna work. It not gonna work. We need to change the name. This not look good. But watch ya. Now she in a man this. Phillip.
My people, let's see what some people might call names in the video. See, me say what look like Derrick and what look like a type of label and what look like a type of battle in the video. I miss what look like Phillip and what look like a type of label and what look like a type of battle in the video. The people, tell me if you believe or if you don't believe that. And if so be the case, which Derrick and which Phillip? If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I am going to present to you 2 pieces of videos that shows some things that happened during a confrontation between a group of persons. And I also wondered who 3 of those persons are. One of the videos that I saw shows some things that happened when one person who was traveling in a motor vehicle arrived at a location and that person went at a premises.
Another motor vehicle that was occupied by at least 3 persons can be seen a certain distance. And that motor vehicle arrived at the same location where the other person arrived. And at least 3 persons got out of the motor vehicle. One of those persons who got out of the other motor vehicle was holding an object that looks like a gun. And another one of those persons can also be seen in at least one of those videos holding an object that is believed to be a gun. Now, it is not clear to my knowledge what type of work those persons do. But in one of those pieces of videos that I saw, you can see blue flashing light on the motor vehicle that those persons were in, and you could also hear siren coming from the motor vehicle, which would make me assume what type of work those persons do.
And in one of those videos, I hear when a person said some words that also includes the word officer.
I am not going to jump to no conclusion because those persons were not wearing full uniforms. However, in my point of view, a situation like that can be scary. And the way how one of those persons was behaving, I consider it to be aggressive. One of those persons who arrived in the other motor vehicle not only hold on to a person, but that person did something that caused someone to fall. And that person also grabbed something from someone and did other things as well.
And in one of these pieces of videos, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person was asking at least one person for his phone.
What would you think about a situation like this? And if someone see a situation like this and decide to call the police, I would think that is the right thing to do, because those persons were not in any full police uniform.
I don't have any confirmed information to determine where those pieces of videos have been recorded during subscribers or where the situation might have happened. I hope you understand what I said. Now, before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe. So this is one of the videos that I saw. If you look carefully, you can see that a motor vehicle arrived at a location. Someone got out of that motor vehicle. Alright, so look at a certain part of the video right there. So look. If you look, you can see another motor vehicle approaching at that location where the video recorded. You can see where a certain amount of persons got out of the motor vehicle. Keep looking. One person hands set a certain way, like the person, you know, look at that, see? Look carefully. Look at another person that I can see in the video as well. Look at what that person was holding. So, the situation set a certain way, but in the other video, you can say certain things to a certain type of way, and also from at least one other angle, but keep looking. Oh, and you can also hear audio in the other video. Now, I want to pay attention to how one of those persons who arrived in the other motor vehicle behaved. I'm not sure why that person was behaving certain ways, and I'm not sure why certain things happened, but look, see certain behaviors. See, if you look carefully, the behavior. Let me present the other video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Stop! Everything on camera! Everything on camera! Why no? Why you get Why no? What did I do? What did I do? I want my phone. Hello. You're carrying.
Listen, that behave. Let's see now we.
Hold on.
My phone says everything's in the house, man. I want inside the house, man. Hey, my I'm praising the shit in the shit like this. Take everything. Let me try with my food, man. Let me food in my body, man. Stop it. Let me even stop You have a phone. I call it. Your man, my phone, please. I have a phone in the car.
Yeah, that one day. That one day.
No, my phone in the back seat. I know, officer, my phone, please. Officer, you have my phone. Please, my phone on the seat, on the seat. My phone on the seat. I call him with him, you know.
Say excuse me.
Go ahead. Hola, man.
Where you watch? Take down number, please. I don't know if it's right, I'm mad. Sing them. Sing that's all yourself, boy.
The people, I noticed that I hear someone said the word officer in at least one of those pieces of videos, you see? But the thing about it is though, is the way how one of those persons was behaving. I think that was a little too much aggressive. And that's in my point of view. Look, I respect rules and laws. You see what I say? I'm not sure about certain information pertaining to this whole situation. But based on me reaching to a certain conclusion, I think that a person who was behaving certain ways when it comes down to the situation should have set a better example and treat or dealt with the situation more better. It no matter what type of work the person do. See? But anyways, we present those pieces of videos to you so you can take a look at them for yourself, my people. I mean, what would you do when it comes down to a situation like that? I mean, what would you do if you see a situation like that? Or if you're even involved in a situation like that? Even if a person claims that the person is this or that, would you call the police? Well, in the business when nobody wants to say no. Me would have called police. Yeah. I think that is more of a confirmation to me. Anyways, I left it. So big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, man, you know where you watch.